Thank you UGREEN for sponsoring today's video. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at UGREEN Nexode X 160 watt charger. UGREEN makes a bunch of great accessories and chargers, but this one comes from their Nexode X series. This charger is smaller, lighter, and more powerful than your typical chargers that you find on the market. That is because UGREEN is using an advanced chip and also a new technology inside of this charger right here. I will tell you more about this 160 watt charger from UGREEN later on in this video, but first let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box we get some manuals, but you guys know we don't read manuals around here because this video you're watching is the manual. And next we have the charger right here, and this charger feels so premium. You can definitely tell that this charger was made with quality material, and also this charger will last very long. Setting up this charger is pretty straightforward. Just flip out the plug like this and plug it into the wall, and then plug in your USB cable in the charger, and then plug in the other end into your device, and your device will charge right away. On paper, this charger can charge your iPhone 15 Pro from 0 to 60 in just 30 minutes. That's 3 times faster than just using a regular 5 watt charger. If you have a 16-inch MacBook Pro, this will charge it from 0 to 50% in just 27 minutes using the PD 3.1 protocol. And if you have a Samsung device, this charger supports Samsung's 45 watt super fast charging 2.0. In my case, I'll use this to mainly charge my iPhone, my drone, my earpods, and my laptop. And also, if I have a friend that needs to charge their laptop also, I could also give them a charge using this same charger right here. Yes, this charger is so powerful to charge 2 laptops at once. Just a quick size comparison, this is my laptop charger that is 180 watts, and this is the UGREEN charger that is just 160 watt. Wow, the UGREEN charger is so much smaller than the laptop charger. Look at that. This charger has 4 ports, and just to give you guys some dimension, this is 2.75 inches by 2.75 inches by 1.25 inches. It is just mind-blowing that this charger is so small, but it has so much watt output and also has so many ports. So all these 4 ports right here will give you fast charging. In total, you get 3 USB Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A port. You get a total wattage output of 160 watts, which is so much. As I said, this charger is powerful enough to charge your iPhone, your AirPods, your drone, your iPad, and your laptop all at once. Like, you can charge up to 4 devices all at once on this. Like, there's no limitation to what device you can charge, as long as it has like a USB connection or a USB-A connection. You don't have to worry, you just plug it in and it charges it. Here's how many watts you can get out of each port from this charger. So if you're using just the top port, which is the C1 port, you can get up to 140 watts output from this port alone. If you're using just the C2 port, which is the next port below the top port, you can get up to 100 watts from the C2 port right here. And if you're using the C3 port, you can get up to 30 watts from that port right there if you're using it alone. And if you're using the USB-A port, you can get up to 22.5 watts from that port right there if you're using it alone. Here's a picture of how many watts you will get if you're using just 2 ports. Here's a picture of how many watts you will get if you're using 3 ports. Here's a picture of how many watts you will get if you're using all the 4 ports. One of the features that I like about this charger is its size. It is so small, so compact, and so lightweight. You can literally just fold it up like this and just put it into your backpack and walk away. Whenever I'm using this charger to charge my devices, I don't have to worry about it damaging my devices thanks to the protection that it comes with. It has a over voltage protection, it has overheating protection, over current protection, and also short circuit protection, so nothing is there to worry about while you're using this charger right here. One of the technology that this charger has right here is called the Gang Infinity, which gives you the fast charging and also all those protection. Now here are my final thoughts on this charger right here. Now for me personally, I've been using this charger every single day since I got it, and I also will be taking this charger with me whenever I travel. I'll be mainly using this charger to charge my iPhone, my drone, my iPad, or my AirPods Pro 2. Either way, I can charge them all at once at no problem. I can charge up to 4 devices with this, which I really like. So one thing I like about this charger is that it charges my devices super fast, and because it charges my devices so fast, it gives me more time, and it also gives me more motivation to be more productive. For example, I hate waiting on my drone to be charged for me to use it, but with this charger right here, I can plug in my drone and it will charge it super fast, so I can get right into flying my drone and getting those awesome shots right away. If you have this charger right here, let me know what your experience has been like down in the comment section down below. And if you're planning on getting this charger right here, a link will be down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Feel free to ask me any questions about this UGREEN Nexode X 160 watt charger down below in the comment section. I'll be responding to every one of your guys' comment down below. That's been it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.